gonna organize an event, but this time it's a meeting type. Simply click on the event type and select meeting and click next. Next, you would need to add your members in the meeting. So I have a list here already added, so I'm gonna select whoever I want to be in the meeting and click add. You can play around with their roles. There are usually attendee or host. When there are hosts, they have full access to the features inside a room. You can even toggle on and off their permissions. So once you've set their roles, you also have an options to record the event, click next, and be able to customize the meeting. Once you've selected the customization and click publish, the links will be then emailed to your presenters or your co-meeting members. I have the event here ready, and you can notice that it's a meeting with those icons there, and just simply click enter. Once you're inside the room, you have the basic features, and I already have here a member who's also a host. And we're gonna toggle between presenter view and gallery view. So when you enable your microphone devices and you set it to gallery view, you should be able to see the person's profile picture. If they have their webcam enabled, you can see that like that. But if you switch to presenter view, it should look something like this. Now, you also have the feature to use smart pinning. So basically when you do a smart pin, it will set the focus or put the person on the podium and they'll be the one talking, or they will be the main speaker. So once we switch to presenter view, there will be the person in front or in the middle of the screen. And if we're going to go for screen sharing, it will automatically switch to the person who is screen sharing. So I'm going to enable screen sharing, and once that person is screen sharing, they will be in the highlights, or they will be the one on the main stage. So I'm going to click screen sharing. Alright. So I'm going to disable it, and let's go to the chat function. We have here the raised hand. So whenever a person raises their hand, you will notice them on the participants tab, person with the raised icon. So that gives you a hint that they want to speak or they have something they want to share. You can raise their hand, or they can manually do that. And they can also upload files. No need to send them an email. You can upload it inside the room. I uploaded a text file, and once it's uploaded in the chat module, they can just click on it and download it and save it locally on their computers. And you can even download the chat transcript. So once there are text messages in the chat, you click on download chat, save it locally, and you will have a text file with the timestamps there as well. In the participants tab, you have an option also to remove a user. However, you can only do that once the event has started. This is still in preparation mode, so that feature button is not yet enabled. You can even mute their chat, and those are some of the options as well. There are two different recording options in the meeting mode. One is a recording of the full meeting, while the other is a recording of just statistics for report creation. You can actually do a meeting with the option not to record the webinar, but be able to capture analytics. By clicking Capture Analytics, it will save the participant details, survey report, and chat transcript. However, if you click record, it will record the webinar and capture the analytics at the same time.